So I thought I'm not just an expert person for this conversation. So I brought this amazing people in this webinar. So they will be giving their introduction one by one, and after that we'll be touching upon the topics. Okay, so we'll start with the first person who is the star guest today, CA Ankit Bhatt. So Ankit, please give your quick introduction.
So basically, as you know, my name is Ankit Bhatt and I'm basically from Jalandhar, Punjab, currently living in Gurgaon. So I'm working in Deloitte USI, as you already Ashish mentioned in the presentation, right? And I love traveling, and recently we had a trip to Nepal, which was amazing with these guys, and that's all about my short introduction. Thanks, everyone.
And one more thing here, like Ankit will be giving you more insights about this global big fours, because into this Deloitte USM from like almost 2 years, so you can actually get a more idea about the big four that is working in a global level, and also statutory audit because he was involved in statutory audit before qualifying CA. So I think you will be getting good idea from Ankit in that manner. Next, we can just have a CA Sajin. A lot of people call him Srijin in live stream, but yeah, he's CA Sajin Sreshta. So please, Sajin, give your quick introduction.
Good evening, everyone. And initially, I'd like to thank Ashish for giving us this platform to give our views or opinion on the different topics which he will be showing in his slide. So, I qualified my CA attempt in May 2022, and I did my articleship from PKF Sridhar and Santanam with Ashish. So, Ashish was senior to me in PKF, so was Nakul, and looking forward for the meeting, guys. Thank you for you guys also for joining the meeting.
Perfect, Sajin, perfect. Next, we have a CA Nakul, and one more thing about Nakul is that he is the most experienced qualified person in the live stream, like already having experience of 5 years plus post qualification, working in one of the big fours, and entirely part of an internal audit from his articleship till now. So please, Nakul, give your quick introduction to us.
Ashish, you've already given my introduction.
Yes, sir.
So, my name is Nakul Godbole and I'm from Dehradun. So, don't go by my surname. I'm not from Maharashtra. I was born and brought up in Dehradun. Marathi nahi aati mujhe. So, I'm a CA by profession, just as you said, and I have 5 years of post qualification experience in internal audit. And I'm currently working in one of the big fours. So, I've been associated with CA Ashish since I think last 3 to 4 years.
Yes.
So, we met in one of the previous organizations where I was working. So we've been good friends since then.
Yeah, I wish good friends.
Yeah, we've been on a trip also together
Yes.
recently.
So next person is C. Aman Verma. He is not actually here right now, but very soon he'll be joining, maybe by half an hour, I guess. But now we have a CA Manoj Devkota, our star person here. If you want to listen to anything not related to CA, like okay, CA is done, but what is life? This person can actually tell you. He can influence you to do business, to travel. Currently, he's working on his own brand that is into this health and fitness food. So I think Manoj, sorry,
Yes,
please
yes,
give
yes.
your introduction, boss.
Thank you so much, Ashish, for inviting me. And hello, everyone. So my name is Manoj Devkota, and I'm qualified in 2023 November attempt. And I had worked in the previously in corporate finance and accounting role with manufacturing, trading, hospitality, and other sector as well. But currently, Ashish told you, I'm involved in building my own food brand called Pura. So go and watch, guys. There are lots of products, and I'm no currently, as Ashish also mentioned you, there are so many product I have launched recently, and I also love to traveling because travel helped me to understand market actually, and also understand myself much better. So it has played a big role for shaping myself and also my business. So thank you so much, Ashish,
Perfect,
for
perfect.
here.
So I think you guys have a good idea about us right now, like whoever this will be speaking today. So now we can just go topic by topic, and I'll give you some recommendations, some suggestions, some idea about the reality check. Okay. Yes, yes, मनोज ने marketing कर दी. That was the main purpose of this webinar.
वही था
Okay.
भाई.
So let's go. ओके, सो देखिए यार दोस्तों, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ जो देखी गई थी कि जो सबसे बड़ा सवाल आता है पूरे इंटरनेट में मेरे से आजकल क्या चल रहा है, जब भी लाइव आ रहा हूँ, मैं कुछ वीडियो डाल रहा हूँ, उसके टॉपिक पे क्या कमेंट आ रहा है, 2026 में सीए करें या ना करें. आप देख सकते हैं, मैंने यहाँ पे दिखाया भी है, एआई ऑटोमेशन का खतरा. जो लोग पूछ रहे हैं सीए की वैल्यू नहीं, आज जॉब्स नहीं मिल रही हैं, इतने सारे अनएम्प्लॉयड सीए बैठे हैं, सीएफए आ गया, सीपीए आ गया, सीआई आ गया. सो क्या सीए को खतरा है? ये बहुत बड़ा सवाल है. पूरे मार्केट में ही सवाल है आजकल. तो मैंने कहा क्यों ना सबसे पहला टॉपिक इसी को पकड़े. तो देखो भाई, आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट विथ यू, आई सी ए बोथ काइंड ऑफ सीएज इन द मार्केट. देयर आर फ्यू हु आर नॉट गेटिंग अ जॉब, देयर आर फ्यू हु आर गेटिंग अ वेरी गुड जॉब विद अ वेरी गुड पैकेज. सो यहाँ पे डिफरेंस क्या होता है? एक आपका स्किल सेट, एक आपके अटेम्प्ट्स, एक भैया आपका रेफरेंस कितना है. बिकॉज आई बीन रिपीटिंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन माई ऑल वीडियोज. सो सीए की वैल्यू है, बट नॉट जस्ट डिग्री कैन गिव यू अ जॉब. कि आपने भैया एक्सपीरियंस नहीं लिया अपने आर्टिकलशिप में, आप में जीरो स्किल सेट है, बट यू गॉट अ डिग्री बिकॉज आपके पास वो था कि भाई आपको टाइम मिला पढ़ने का, यू गॉट अ डिग्री नाउ. एंड अब आप ना सीए के जो लो जॉब चाहिए मुझे, एंड यू आर हैविंग अ जीरो आइडिया अबाउट एक्सेल. आपको एआई टूल्स नहीं आते, आपको नॉर्मल बिजनेस टूल्स यूज करने नहीं आते, आपको बिजनेस के जो प्रोसेस होते हैं उसकी नॉलेज ही नहीं है. सो हाउ यू विल बी गेटिंग अ जॉब? सो सीए की वैल्यू आज भी है, बट इट डिपेंड्स कि आप अपने स्किल सेट में कितने एनहेंसमेंट्स कर रहे हो थ्रू आउट द टाइम. अभी हम एक एक करके जो टॉपिक हम टच अपॉन करेंगे कि इन डिटेल, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि भाई क्या क्या चीजें हैं, क्या क्या नहीं है. ठीक है, मैंने आपको क्विक ये बता दिया कि वैल्यू आज भी है. अगर आपका कोई इसको लेके क्वेश्चन है, यू कैन क्विकली टाइप, सो वी आई कैन जस्ट क्विकली रिस्पॉन्ड ऑन दैट क्वेश्चन. सो आप चैट में लिख सकते हैं जल्दी से. आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग फॉर इट. And if in that case any of the fellow speakers is having any kind of point, they can speak. So I guess we are going fine. Can you please raise a thumb so I can just go forward now? Perfect, perfect.
We
So
can
पता
go
है
ahead,
सीए की
Ashish.
वैल्यू. यस यस नकुल भाई.
I'm saying we can go ahead. I mean,
यस, ओ परफेक्ट. सो सेकंड जो टॉपिक है जिसके ऊपर आई थिंक सबसे ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस आते हैं एंड व्यूज भी आते हैं यूट्यूब पे, दैट इज रिलेटेड टू आर्टिकलशिप. एंड यहाँ पे आई हैव नॉट जस्ट केप्ट कि आर्टिकलशिप में आपके पास आर्टिकलशिप में जाना वो है. आई एम ऑल्सो पॉइंटिंग आउट कि भाई आपको किस डोमेन में जाना चाहिए, प्लस आपको किस टाइप की फर्म में जाना चाहिए. सो अब इसमें नकुल भाई इज हेयर, सचिन इज हेयर, दे विल बी पुटिंग देयर थॉट्स कि उनके हिसाब से क्या लगता है कि आपको किस टाइप की फर्म में जाना है एंड किस डोमेन का अपने क्या बेनिफिट है. एंड आर्टिकलशिप से पहले, हाँ, सबसे हम इस चीज का आंसर करेंगे. आर्टिकलशिप से पहले व्हाट स्किल सेट है रिक्वायर्ड, क्योंकि मैंने वीडियोस में बोला है एक्सेल आपको आना चाहिए, कम्युनिकेशन आना चाहिए. बट इफ देर इज एनीथिंग एल्स, प्लीज सचिन जी एंड नकुल जी आप इस पे थोड़ा सा कमेंट कीजिए वन बाय वन.
so Ashish, Nakul said. So first of all, skill set की बात करें तो I think one of the most important skills is the technical skills, of course. What we have studied in our intermediate exams,
Hmm.
we should be well aware of that, and we should, I mean, we should remember that also. For example, accounts and taxation and auditing, also standards of auditing. And apart from that, just like you mentioned, ki Excel is a must-have. Like basic formulas like XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP and sum if and if, that you should be knowing before you start your articleship. I think they teach you this in the ITT also, CITT exams also. 15 days course
But
which
I
we do.
think they are not
हाँ,
really putting any benefits, like it is just for formality.
no, actually the ITT which I attend, उसमें तो it had मतलब बहुत अच्छे से कराया था हमारे जो ट्रेनर थे. So I think it depends from faculty to faculty
Hmm.
कि. But even if you are not, I mean, the faculty is not good in ITT, then there are many YouTube courses which you can do to learn Excel.
Hmm.
And apart from that, communication skills are also necessary. Ki how to write a mail, that is also very important.
Correct.
and how to communicate properly with someone, because you'll be dealing with the client also. So I think these are the must-have skill set for any article,
अगर अगर आज हम
any
किसी
aspiring
मान
article.
लो you are a senior person, so
Hmm,
you are actually hiring any kind of article, taking an interview, या आपकी टीम में कोई आर्टिकल आ रहा है, so what is
hmm,
your actual expectation from him?
hmm,
As you are in big four, so आपकी expectation थोड़ी
hmm,
high भी होंगी, so let's
hmm.
hear that also.
So first of all, my expectation would be he should be having a learning attitude. First of all, he should be ready to learn anything which I mean, willing to teach him, and whatever task I'm giving him, he is willing to accept it and do it diligently. So this is one of the most important thing. And secondly, I think an article, since he's just starting his CA journey, he should be willing to travel a lot. I think he should not be like कि मुझे यहीं दिल्ली मतलब दिल्ली एनसीआर में ही रहना है, यहाँ पे ही मुझे बैठ के काम करना है. He should be willing to travel, at least if he's in the audit profile.
Okay. And what about the technical skills that you are looking for a fresh
So
article?
technical skills, so I've already mentioned na कि he should, I mean, he should brush up his intermediate
Excel.
subjects. He should be well versed with Excel, and his communication skills should be good, and he should be having a learning attitude.
Okay, perfect. Now we'll move to Sajin, and Sajin will let us know like which domain you should go for and what is the pros and cons for the each domain.
Thank you, Ashish. So the topic is very subjective, but then again, we have majorly four domains as you have shown. Internal audit is there, stat audit, taxation, and regulatory work. So the firm in which I did my articleship, I had the opportunity to do both the audits, internal as well as stat. So in terms of learning, I would suggest you to go after the statutory audit, because it will be clearly in line with the materials that we have used for our CA intermediate. As Nakul bhai said, ki whatever things that we have learned in inter is important. So पूरा जो knowledge आपने इंटर में gain किया है, that knowledge you see being implemented in stat audits and taxation works. But coming into internal audit is basically very subjective, and you have to go out of the box to identify gaps in processes. So if you are somebody who is more into regulations, law specifically, or
I
you
think
have
your voice
interest
is
in
breaking a bit.
reading
I
laws,
don't know if I am getting this issue.
case study.
There's some lag.
Ashish, am I audible now?
Yes, now
Hello?
it's okay.
So where were we at?
You were just telling us about the internal audit, like the out of box thinking.
Yeah. So basically, internal audit is a bit out of scope, as I said before, and the process is more about the process or the approach of internal audit is more like you have a story and then you try to identify the gaps in the stories. Just like in movies, you have certain kind of stories, but then you have this kind of skepticism that something might go wrong. So that approach is there in stat audit as well, but then that approach is pretty limited. You want to verify those numbers in stat audit, whereas in internal audit, you go on a deeper level, on a procedural level, why the numbers are coming up, so and so forth. So it's up to you, and it's the way you approach your studies as well. If you are more into the regulatory aspect, then you can go into taxation or stat audit. And if you are more into somebody who is having ideas or who can solve costing questions easily, I guess you can approach, or you can have a better approach for internal audit aspect. So it depends. It depends the kind of work you want to go
I
to.
will also put my some thoughts on this because a lot of people have
I
asked me this question, and I was
would
involved
also
in
like to.
stat audit and internal both. So जो मुझे लगता है if you really want to be a part of finance department in future, have a more understanding about reviewing the financial statements and everything, you can actually go with a stat audit, because there you are actually reviewing the financials and numbers more. वहाँ सारा खेल नंबर का है, जो आपका फाइनेंशियल फाइनल बन रहा है उसके नंबर्स कहाँ से फ्लो कर रहे हैं, इज इट एक्यूरेट और नॉट. बट अगर आपको खुद का बिजनेस बनाना है एक टाइम पे, और यू वांट टू गो इन सम कंसल्टिंग पार्ट जहाँ आपको बिजनेस में इंप्रूवमेंट्स कराने हैं, देन आई थिंक इंटरनल ऑडिट मेक मोर सेंस, बिकॉज वहाँ पे आपको कंपनी का पूरे प्रोसेस समझने को मिलता है in detail. You are reviewing all the process, because right now Manoj is actually doing his own business, so sometimes we talk and we usually talk about the supply chain के बारे में, customer acquisition के बारे में. I think यहाँ पे चीज़ें बहुत हेल्प करती हैं. बट अगर आपको अपनी प्रैक्टिस करनी है, तब आपको भैया रूट पे जाना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू नो अबाउट द टैक्सेशन ऑल्सो, स्टैट ऑडिट ऑल्सो, एंड रेगुलेटरी वर्क ऑल्सो. यहाँ पे ये चीज़ बहुत मैटर करती है, आपको सब आता हो, बिकॉज एनी काइंड ऑफ क्लाइंट कैन अप्रोच यू व्हेन यू आर डूइंग योर ओन प्रैक्टिस. सो ये हमारा थोड़ा डोमेन को लेके हो गया. And I think if anybody wants to add anything on this, they can speak. Otherwise, we'll move to the what kind of firm they should go for.
Yeah, Ashish Nakul said. So I
Yes,
think uh, someone should go for, I mean, just to clarify, ki someone should go for internal audit if they want to understand ki how the business operates. I think internal audit is one of the domains, one of the only domains which gives you the best understanding about how the business operates and how the management takes its decision for running the business.
correct.
So, I mean, if someone is interested in understanding deeply how the business operates, I think internal and how to mitigate the risk, manage risk.
Hmm.
So, internal audit is for them, I believe. And if someone is in more into financial reporting aspect, ki how financials are prepared, then stat audit is for them.
Perfect.
And they love traveling also. It's applicable for both stat and internal then.
It depends on the firm actually,
Yeah.
because now we'll just go with this part ki bhaiya, what kind of firm you should go for. We have
Yeah.
so many friends जो कि small firm से आए हैं आर्टिकलशिप करके. Some people are there जो कि big four से आए हैं, top firm से आए हैं. Some are there जो कि mediocre firm से आए हैं. अब इसमें I would like कि Sajjan or Ankit, if you can put some thoughts, because Sajjan, you've been also part of GT after the PKF, and PKF is also a mediocre kind of firm. And Ankit was also there. कि Ankit was in a mediocre firm for a one point of time. Then he moved to top 10 firm. So please put some thoughts on it.
Sajjan, do you want to go ahead?
Yeah,
अंकित
okay.
अंकित ऐसे कर रहा है जैसे ऑफिस में होता है ना, वो कि अरे क्या बोल दिया बोलने को. नहीं मैं नहीं बोलूंगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं
तो
अंकित.
I can speak also, Ashish. I mean,
Yes,
yeah,
if
yes,
you
please
want.
Nakul bhai go.
Nakul,
5 years of
So,
experience will speak.
so which firm someone should go to? I think, I mean, as per my preference, I would go with a mid-sized firm. Ki first of all, I mean, as a article, I mean, as a person who has just completed his intermediate exams,
Hmm.
that person is not aware ki he will generally not be aware ki what domain he'll be interested in the future. So I think joining a mid-sized firm is the best option because he'll be able to gain access to the knowledge for all the relevant domains like stat audit, internal audit, and taxation. After which he can decide. I mean, after post qualification, he can decide key in which area he needs to specialize. Because if initially he goes for Big Four, they'll put him in a very like specific domain. Like if you go for international taxation, then they'll put them in transfer pricing. So that will be very how should I put it? Ki he'll not be able to gain knowledge for the other
Very
domains.
limited
So
experience.
yeah, limited experience he'll gain. So I think mid-sized firm is the best option for them.
I have,
Firms. Yes, Ankit, please.
yeah. So I have a little bit different opinion there. So it's basically depend on you. Like after CA, do you want to like pursue your practice or you want to pursue the job? So that's more the depend decision will depend on the more. So if basically you want to have a practice after becoming CA, then it's more better for you if you go for a mid-size firm because there you can get the exposure of every area. And if you have like a thought that after CA you are going to do a job, like most of the people in CA who are pursuing CA are mostly are in jobs only. So if you have a
Correct.
mind of doing job only, then you should go for a big four firm, because in that you will already have, you will get more professionalism there, more exposure. Like even you can you want to start with the statutory audit, and then after a year, if you're not liking it, then you can switch. Like you have to make a little bit more efforts, but you can definitely switch to the other area which are more liking. And also after qualifying, the moment you will qualify, you can get into top 10 companies, or like you can get easily the industrial training. You will
Mm.
always have the edge over the other students,
But
like
I
other
believe
qualified.
ki if you have done an articleship from mid-sized firm, then also you'll easily be able to enter Big Four also after qualifying if you have gained sufficient knowledge and you have the relevant skills.
जैसे यहाँ
Yeah,
पे एक चीज मैं
that
बोलना
Yeah.
चाहूंगा
all I
तुम लोगों
agree
को
with.
Uh-huh.
कि
Sure.
एक ना एक चीज बहुत लोगों को लगता है ना कि बिग फोर में जाना इज वेरी टफ. इट इज टफ इन केस ऑफ आर्टिकलशिप बिकॉज
But it
आर्टिकलशिप में
is
वैकेंसीज आर नॉट दैट मच.
right.
But if you are a qualified CA, there are like so many vacancies in Big Four. Attrition rate is 40% plus. So people are coming
Exactly.
and going. They just want a Big Four tag. That's all. Because अब देखो Big
Right.
Four का ना एक प्रो भी बता दूं. एक कुछ प्रो बातें भी हैं कि अगर आपका Big Four का टैग है, a lot of companies will be willing to hire you because they know कि आप किस भट्टी में पक के आ रहे हो. बोलते हैं ना कैसे आपकी हालत करेगा ये वहाँ पे. एक तो वो फायदा मिलता है Big Four का. ब्रांड नेम इज ऑब्वियसली देयर. बट कॉन्स पे मैंने बताया है कि भाई देखो वर्क प्रेशर इज टू मच. दे विल बी गिविंग यू अ गुड काइंड ऑफ स्टाइपेंड, गुड फैसिलिटीज. कैब से आ रहे हैं, कैब से जा रहे हैं, वो मिल रहा है आपको. बट ऑब्वियसली आपको काम भी उसी हिसाब से करना पड़ेगा. 16 घंटे, 14 घंटे, 12 घंटे. आर यू विलिंग टू डू दैट? दैट
कैब तो नहीं
मैटर्स.
मिलती भाई.
नहीं, कैब फैसिलिटी सम क्लाइंट्स में मिलता है. देयर आर
ठीक
few
है.
cases. But one more thing is there about the mid-size firm because I personally love mid-size firms. वो इसलिए कि भाई देखो एक्सपीरियंस इज डाइवर्सिफाइड. एंड एक जॉब क्या आप बोलते हो कि ज्यादा प्रेशर ना हो बट आपको लर्निंग मिले, वो बैलेंस मिड साइज में मिलता है. बिकॉज जैसे मैं खुद की बात करूं, वी हैव विजिटेड सम क्लाइंट्स जो कि बहुत अच्छे लेवल पे ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं. आपको वो इन्वायरमेंट में वर्क करने को मिल रहा है, वो डाइवर्सिफाइड टूल्स यूज करने को मिल रहे हैं. एंड वो इन्वायरमेंट में किस लिए इंपॉर्टेंट बोल रहा हूँ, बिकॉज जब भी आप कहीं पे अच्छे से स्विच करोगे ना, वो हेजिटेशन आपके अंदर नहीं आएगा. यू हैव डन द डिस्कशंस विद दिस गुड कंपनी पीपल्स. आपको पता है भाई कि कैसे, हाउ टू कम्युनिकेट, हाउ टू यूज दिस टूल्स. बट ऑब्वियसली एज अंकित सेड, प्रैक्टिस में जाना है देन भैया मिड साइज फर्म में ही वो आपको एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा अबाउट दिस ROC फाइलिंग, टैक्स रिटर्न फाइलिंग, GSTR कैलकुलेशन, ऑल दीज थिंग्स. जो छोटे छोटे टूल हैं, आई डोंट इवन नो हाउ टू यूज दिस टैक्स वाले टूल्स. some people ask me कि भाई GST में कैसे होता है. I'm like, I don't know, I just read the book, that's all. So वो चीज आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि आपका गोल क्या आफ्टर क्वालिफाइंग CA. That's the only main thing. वो क्लैरिटी अगर आप बना लेते हो then obviously you will not have any trouble while doing articleship.
Mhm.
बाकी it's up to you दोस्तों.
Actually, adding to your point, like we should not go by the term mid-size because there are firms which you consider it as mid-size, but then they have clients of
Yeah,
large
good
scale.
clients. Yeah, correct.
So we cannot be limiting the mid-size firms as well. If you are exposed to a good client, and then
We have been part of such a firm only.
yeah. So it is
People call it
equivalent
mid-size,
to,
but they
yeah.
have very good clients.
Yeah, it is equivalent to working in a big four. They may not be
Correct.
of the, or their network may not be of that scale, but then talking about the quality of work and the scale of the client that the firms may have is something equivalent to big four.
Yes.
So I think mediocre firm, or what we can term it as top 100 firms, I think there are n number of firms who have very good reputed clients. So it's very subjective, but then again there are sites who give the rankings of all the CA firms that you guys can look up to, and then you guys can reach
I
out to
think
people
that's the
over.
benefit of having you guys on the table today because
Yeah.
अगर मैं अकेले बोलता था there was no such conflicting points, but now actually people can hear other thought also who have
Mm.
qualified CA and have a good experience. So I think this is a great thing. You are putting your thoughts. So
Yeah, for
can we move to the
mid-size
next
firm,
topic? Okay, Ankit, you were
yeah,
saying
I
something?
just had one point. Yeah, so for mid-size firm, मेरा more point of view ये था where you can get the chance of working in all the areas. Like myself, I have worked in a mid-size firm where I used to work in GST, direct tax. We used to do tax audit, and also I was in statutory audit. I used to do accounting enough for a company I know I remember that one company was there who just came during my architecture phase only, and I used to manage all the accounting and GST and taxation, everything of that client. So moreover, the mid-size I was referring, it was of that.
Perfect. So guys, it is okay if we move to the next topic? Okay. Something just threw my way. Sorry. So let me just go to the next slide. Okay, we have discussed about it already. Any questions, anybody from the attendees about the Big Four or anything?
I guess Nakul would be answering it better. Life in the Big Four.
Look, there are two things. First of all, how we can approach Big Four for the jobs. So what we can do, Ankit and Nakul is in Big Four right now. So they can actually tell their story, how they approach Big Four. Second is, how is their life right now in Big Four. So I think they can go one by one and share the experience.
Yeah, so Ashish, I'll start first, okay? If it's okay.
Yes.
So actually, I had submitted my resume on Naukri portal. So the Big Four, which I am currently working in, they approached me from there only. I mean, they had some third-party vendor who was hiring on their behalf. So they approached me. From there, I joined that firm. So I didn't directly approach that firm. So there were numerous third-party vendors who were hiring on their behalf. So that's how I came up here. So, but
I think
apart
you
from
can
that
share
also,
like how many Big Fours you've been selected for.
but mm, so I was selected in two because I mean I did apply for the remaining. So that's it. Yeah, that was about 1.5 years back.
And how is life right now in Big Four?
So life is, I mean, pretty hectic. So it also depends ki which client you are working on. So and how much commuting you have to do. So like currently I'm working in a Noida-based client, so I'm daily commuting from Gurgaon to Noida. So as you know, in internal audit, we don't get work from home. So that is one of the cons I could say. Ki you won't be able to work from home and you'll have to commute daily. So it's a bit hectic traveling around 4.5 hours a day. But apart from that, I mean, work pressure is there. I mean, late night sittings are there. I mean, everyone knows that. So that is something in which we can't avoid. And that is something one must keep in their mind before they come in Big Four. The pressure will be there, deadlines will be very strict, and you'll have to be willing to sacrifice your leisure time and maybe your Saturday, Sundays also, occasionally, not always.
Okay, perfect. Ankit, what is your thoughts on this? Your experience, how
Yeah.
you've been selected in Deloitte, USI?
Yeah, so I joined USI in last 2024. Like it's more over if you like there is a attempt criteria. If you're getting cleared in May 24, then you get more of the global opportunities. And if you're getting cleared in November 24, the attempt, I know it's changed now. Like there are 3 attempts, but there's a criteria more अगर आप May में pass करोगे, then global jobs ज़्यादा आपको उस time पे होंगी, because there is a busy season that you gonna serve in Jan to March, so they usually hire at that in this period, and for same will happen for the Indian practice for normal time. So my story was I already joined the organization before joining Deloitte, and then I got an offer from this organization before, and then I just resigned from like less than a month because I know that I want to work here. So and then I started here. And my work experience here in global was, yeah, it's comparatively less hectic than the Indian firm, definitely I will say. But here you are also gonna work for in the 3-4 months, you the busy season that we talk, you gonna work for 11 hours or more than 11 hours. And also there are some teams like in Big Fours, I feel it's more about team, like how good your team is, like how They are like are they believe in well-being of their team members, like same काम ही है. You can आप एक्स्ट्रा प्रेशर लेके भी अपने स्टाफ लोगों को कर सकते हो, और या तो स्टाफ या सीनियर को कोऑपरेट करके आप वो काम इजीली भी करवा सकते हो, हंस खेल के भी हो सकता है. एक दोनों तरीके होते हैं वो काम करने के. सो माय एक्सपीरियंस विद में थोड़ा मिक्स रहा है. आई हैव बीन टू सम टीम्स जहाँ बहुत ज्यादा टॉक्सिक रहता है, जहाँ सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मुझे खुद ही करना पड़ता है, एंड आई हैव बीन अदर टीम्स आल्सो जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा माइक्रो मैनेजिंग कम होती है. बिकॉज आई पर्सनली मेरे को नहीं मतलब किसी को भी माइक्रो मैनेजिंग नहीं पसंद होती. सो बिग फोर में वो माइक्रो मैनेज हो जाता है अगर इफ यू आर बीन इनटू अ टीम जहाँ थोड़ी चीजें ज्यादा हैं. तो कुछ कुछ मैनेजर्स कुछ क्या मतलब मैंने मोस्टली मैनेजर्स देखे हैं, दे डू. सो
यहाँ पे एक मेरा
इंडियन
सवाल है
कल्चर
I
फिर
agree
नकुल
with
और
that
अंकित
on
दोनों से.
I agree with Ankit on the micromanagement part. This is quite prevalent
Even
in
I
Big Four
agree.
because there are a lot of teams na, and each team has like few dedicated client. I mean few dedicated clients. So micromanaging will be there. That is something which is hard to avoid.
So how many
yes.
times you both have thought to leave the Big Four? ये thought कितनी बार
Uh,
आया होगा?
like once every 3 to 4 months when the audit is at
I
closure
thought
stage
it will be
and
weeks or day.
no, it's not
No,
that
every
bad
day.
here.
You guys are having a good time then.
Hmm. We
It's
can't
more
escape
about
from.
yeah, it's more about that एक महीने आपको लगेगा that you are going to leave this firm, and then अगले महीने थोड़ा ठीक हो जाएगा. Then you will be like कि ठीक है यार अब तो सही चल रहा है.
Actually, one
हाँ
of
वो
the
होता
issues
है
is
actually.
also कि attrition इतना ज्यादा है बिग फोर में कि पता भी नहीं चलेगा आपकी टीम का कोई बंदा छोड़ के चला जाएगा और उसका काम
पूरी
आपके
टीम.
सर पे आ जाएगा. So that
Nobody
is also
knows.
one of the problems.
Big Four को भी पता है. They just consider you as one of a resource. That's all. आओ जाओ. They know people are
तभी
there in line all the time for interviews.
तभी तो पोस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन के बाद इतनी ज्यादा ओपनिंग्स हैं बिग फोर्स में.
Hmm.
बहुत ज्यादा हायरिंग होती है. मतलब इवन एज
Sometimes
ऑफ
they're
नाउ
eager to
हायरिंग
hire
बहुत
a
ज्यादा है.
person. Like ले आओ, refer कर दो.
राइट.
So वही है. I think जो लोग यहाँ
मे
watch कर रहे हैं अभी हमारे साथ, जो attendees हैं, उनको लगता है Big Four की life is like so lavish. बहुत ही नाम होता है Big Four में जाओ, but I think reality is something else.
Yeah, also, I want to share one incident. Like last अभी मेरा first year ही था organization में, then there is a client, like it's a big client in my industry. So there like in that team, the managers and the MD were quite toxic. Like they used to micromanage and हर चीज के लिए बहुत extra work कराना, and they used to do work on weekends for 11 hours. Like they are working on normal weekdays also, and on the weekends also they are working 8 to 11 hours. So in that team only, like in this year, they are like around I guess 50 to 60% staff people in that team have resigned, or they change their industry. So they, it was more like this year they totally have a new team.
there was a more recent incident also in my team. Ashish knows. He's made a
The
short
video
about
is already
that
in the
also.
channel, guys. But
So
let's
that is
not
something
disclose
which
Nakul
is
bhai name
quite
now.
common. Huh? Yeah, yeah. That's why I'm not disclosing which firm I'm
Yes.
working in.
Nobody knows if somebody is here who will just tell the Big Four, oh, Nakul is here, guys. See, Big Four के बारे में क्या
Yeah,
तारीफें हो रही हैं.
yeah.
I guess
Maybe
you can do a KBC where there are 4 options and then people will choose which Big Four.
Which Big Four?
Nakul is working
और
in.
फोन अ फ्रेंड वाली लाइफलाइन मत रख देना उसमें.
So, guys, any question or we should move to the next slide? Okay, I think we are good to go. Perfect. Let me just switch to the next one. Okay, Samarth, there's a question from Samarth.
Yeah.
Let me check.
Yes, we have kept
Samarth. Foundation exam हुआ है कल. My dream to articulate in Grant Thornton. Sajin, you were in Grant Thornton, na? Can you tell us like
yes.
how was the articulation scenarios there?
So currently the team in which I was working on are not hiring articles. So that is an issue right now. Big Fours too are trying to push for qualified CAs. They are trying to hire CAs as far as they can.
Basically, for internal audit, I think every top firms are not hiring
Yeah.
articles for the risk
Yes,
advisory.
Ashish.
They
Risk
want
advisory,
consultants
like,
or CAs.
correct.
Yeah.
Actually, the big fours are instead of hiring articles they are hiring graduates like BCom graduates now.
BCom
So
graduate.
right. So in risk advisory specifically, none of the big fours are hiring. I mean, as far
Yes.
as I'm aware. But in stat audit, it is ongoing. I mean,
Mm.
I
articles are
think
working.
someone is asking for taxation. For taxation, the vacancies are usually less than in comparison to your risk advisor stat, because the business is not that high. Even the resource requirement is not that much in case of taxation work. Please correct me if I'm wrong.
Post qualification, the pay is good for
No, for articleship, taxation vacancies are, I don't think they are too much.
I guess taxation is something that you can work in mediocre firms as well. They will have variety of works if you want to
There was
look
also a
at
question Praveen said कि आप मेरा क्वेश्चन भी ले लो. So Praveen, जो आपने पूछा ना कि यार बिग फोर के क्लाइंट में जो कॉम्प्लेक्स नेचर होना, प्रोफेशनल बिहेवियर होना, वो हर जगह, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन क्लाइंट. हम जो बताते हैं हम मिड साइज फर्म में थे, बट स्टिल वी हैड दोस क्लाइंट जहाँ पे भाई स्ट्रिक्ट बिहेवियर है, आपको प्रोफेशनलिज्म मेंटेन करना है, कॉम्प्लेक्स चीज सीखने को मिलेंगी. सो आई थिंक वो क्लाइंटेल कैसा है फर्म के पास, वो डिपेंड करता है. बिग फोर इवन हैव द क्लाइंट्स हु वर लाइक नॉट दैट मच इन ऑपरेशनल बेसिस, वो भी है.
बिग फोर्स के पास भी छोटे क्लाइंट्स मिलेंगे, ऐसी
हाँ.
बात नहीं है. हाँ. So this is a myth कि से professional behavior and this professional work. Quality work is done by Big Four only. That is a myth.
Okay.
Yeah, I will agree with Nakul on this.
Like we'll take all the questions in the end. We have a Q&A session. So I think you can just type your question in the chat. We'll obviously take it in last 10 to 15 minutes. Perfect. So this is a section about jobs after CA. इसमें पहले मैं अपने कुछ थॉट्स रखना चाहूँगा. भाई देखो, जितना मुझे पता है यू कैन गो इन, सबसे ज़्यादा वैकेंसीज आती हैं इंटरनल ऑडिट, स्टैट ऑडिट. दैट इज़ अ कंसल्टिंग वर्क जो आपका फर्म्स में होता है. सबसे ज़्यादा वैकेंसीज इसकी आती है पोस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन. देन देयर इज़ अ वर्क अबाउट फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट में जाने के लिए, फाइनेंशियल ऑपरेशंस, फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग, इन चीज़ों की जॉब में आ सकते हैं. टैक्स कंसल्टेंट की जॉब में जा सकते हैं. Like I'm working in some kind of consulting, that is process consulting, but obviously you can go for business advisory, जहाँ पे आप बिजनेस को एडवाइस कर रहे हो कि भाई आपको कुछ और अक्वायर करना ही करना, फाइनेंशियल मॉडलिंग, वैल्यूएशन, पर उसमें जॉब्स थोड़ी कम है. मेजर जॉब्स बता दी, ऑडिट्स में ज़्यादा है, एडवाइजरी में ज़्यादा है, रिस्क एडवाइजरी टाइप जॉब. बाकी जो कॉर्पोरेट्स में जॉब आती हैं फॉर स्पेसिफिक प्रोसेस, वो यूजुअली आपको मिलेंगी कैंपस के थ्रू, या ऑफ कैंपस भी होंगी तो बहुत कम जॉब्स होंगी. वहाँ पे आपको यूजुअली होता है कि रेफरेंस ना ही दिखा जाए जल्दी. सो मुझे प्लीज दोस्तों बताइए आपके हिसाब से क्या लगता है आपको इसके ऊपर, जॉब्स आफ्टर सीए.
Yeah, Ashish, in case of risk advisory, तो I agree with you कि I mean about other domains I'm not as well aware, but risk advisory में तो अभी as of now Big Four में बहुत ही ज़्यादा hiring चल रही है as of now. One of the reasons could be कि जैसे Companies Act में हमारा सेक्शन 138 भी गवर्न करता है इंटरनल ऑडिट को, तो उसमें जो एक तो लिस्टेड कंपनीज आर ऑल रिक्वायर्ड टू हैव एन इंटरनल ऑडिट डिपार्टमेंट, एंड द सेकंड इज कि इन केस ऑफ अनलिस्टेड कंपनीज देयर इज सर्टेन थ्रेशोल्ड्स की टर्नओवर का, शेयर कैपिटल का एंड बोरोइंग्स का. सो एज टाइम प्रोग्रेसेस काफी सारी कंपनीज ने, अनलिस्टेड कंपनीज ने, दे हैव स्टार्टेड रीचिंग दैट थ्रेशोल्ड, जिसकी वजह से आईए हैज बिकम अ मैंडेट फॉर देम. सो व्हाट कंपनीज नाउ डू इज दे कीप वन और टू employees on payroll who are part of the IA team, and the rest of the audit areas they outsource it to one of the big fours or some other mid-sized firms. And apart from that, in case of internal audit, ऐसा कोई off season वाला चीज नहीं होता यहाँ पे.
करेक्ट.
We are always working. मतलब internal audits हमारी quarterly चल रही है, half yearly चल रही है, annually चल रही है, as contrary to stat audit और tax audit जहाँ पे थोड़ा अपना off season या peak season आगे पीछे चलता रहता है.
करेक्ट.
सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द रीजंस कि रिस्क एडवाइजरी में तो बहुत ही ज्यादा इस समय हायरिंग चल रही है.
एंड
रिस्क
ये ना
एडवाइजरी,
मैंने कहीं सुना
हाँ,
भी था कि जो मेजर 70% जॉब्स है आई थिंक दैट इज इन फर्म्स जो कि सीए करते हैं पोस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन. इंडस्ट्रीज में बहुत कम लोग हैं बिकॉज वैकेंसीज ही कम है, तो ज़्यादातर लोग ऑडिट्स में ही जाते हैं फिर.
but I think after internal audit, I mean, like if you have 4 or 5 years of internal audit experience, it is much easier to transition into industry, क्योंकि आपको बिजनेस अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ जाती है, तो आप इंडस्ट्री जॉब रोल्स को भी इजीली टेकअप अंडरस्टैंड करके टेकअप कर सकते हो, जैसे आपका फाइनेंस एंड अकाउंट्स हो गया, आईए हो गया, इवन प्रोक्योरमेंट। आई मीन आई हैव सीन सीएस आल्सो हु आर वर्किंग इन procurement department. So I think internal audit helps in that also.
Yes. Any thoughts from Sajin, or we should move to the next slide?
Yeah, we can move to the next slide.
By the
Ashish.
way, दोस्तों आपको बता दूं मैं, people ask me कि AI से क्या होता है, ऑटोमेशन से क्या होता है। ये पूरी पीपीटी 20 मिनट में बनाई है मैंने कॉल से
AI
पहले।
से अच्छा याद दिलाया यार। इस समय बिग फोर्स आर वेरी मच स्ट्रेसिंग ऑन यूसेज ऑफ AI अपने ऑडिट को, मतलब ऑडिट के जो रूटीन टास्क है उन्हें ऑटोमेट करने के लिए दे आर स्ट्रेसिंग ऑन AI आल्सो, AI यूसेज। तो अगर आपको
Yes,
AI की नॉलेज है या आपने कोई सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स कर रखा है रिलेटिंग टू जेन AI, सो आपको काफी अच्छा एज मिलेगा उसमें,
I think Ankit,
स्पेशली इन दिस
Deloitte has
एडवाइजरी।
its own AI, ना?
Yeah, I mean, they keep their data confidential. They can't keep their data on ChatGPT and everything. So they have a personalized,
Well, I think there is no data
there is a.
confidentiality exists, but yes, I agree.
I mean, still they have an option like if like in on that their site the site they use. Is it Deloitte confidential data? So you can just tick mark if you have that confidential data and you can upload there.
डेलॉयट के
I,
हाथ में AI डेंजरस है भाई बहुत।
I still remember Sajin was in GT. So Sajin के लैपटॉप में there was no such way to share the data. Like आपके पीछे कुछ भी हो आपके लैपटॉप में, तो Sajin was somebody who used to keep finding ways how to breach this security.
Yeah,
I
in
think
our
he
firm
even
also, I
found one
mean,
glitch.
in our firm also, I mean, it is very difficult to send, I mean, data from your laptop to your personal laptop. अगर आप मेल अपनी अपनी ऑफिस की मेल आईडी से अपनी पर्सनल आईडी पे कुछ भेज दोगे डेटा, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपके पास मेल आ जाता है जस्टिफाई करने के लिए कि क्यों भेजा
Yes.
आपने।
But
So,
these things are only in big four दोस्तों, या टॉप फर्म्स में,
हम्म,
या आपको मीडियोकर्स वगैरह में इतनी ज्यादा डेटा को लेके सिक्योरिटी नहीं मिलेगी, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट रेडी टू स्पेंड। उनका कोई ब्रांड नहीं है, कोई स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन नहीं है, एंड दे आर नॉट यूजुअली एस्टेब्लिश्ड ग्लोबल वाइज। सो ये बिग फोर का ये भी एक बेनिफिट है जो आपको समझ आएगा। आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स बेनिफिट और नॉट, बट यस।
Yeah, you can share your data through Gmail or anything. The site will not let you send
I will
anything. And also,
let your Deloitte USA know about it. Don't worry.
No, but then
Shit.
the IT team of different companies, track like how you are communicating with third-party mails. Like for an example, if you are mailing somebody on Gmail server, then the trigger is generated to the IT team. So
yeah.
this data leakage protection, or DLP, the term that we use, is there in many companies.
but yeah, you're not.
Especially whenever you are on your notice period, they won't let you to mail over Gmail ID, even to your client as well. That is what I have faced in GT. Once my notice period started, I could not mail it to my personal ID in my notice period. That was something new for me.
Sajin, are you letting us see your wall or what? Because your face is not really visible. I know you have painted your wall recently, but yes, we'll be happy to see your face also.
Sorry. Maybe the inclination of the camera is not in a correct angle.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man, this is a very important thing actually, to keep a good angle. We will just move to the
maybe
next slide.
I just had my dinner, so I just want to be comfortable.
Okay, so this is a very important slide जो मुझे लगती है,
Okay.
because ना ऐसे कुछ सवाल थे जो कि बहुत ही फ्रीक्वेंटली मुझे पूछे जाते थे कि यार क्या अटेम्प्ट मैटर करते हैं सीएम, एज मैटर करती है। कोई लोग कहते थे हमने अभी सीए चालू करा है, 30 में सीए क्वालिफाई करेंगे, हमें इशू तो नहीं होगा। कुछ लोग बोलते हैं हमें तो 8 अटेम्प्ट लग गए, कौन सा ऐसा वक्त है सीए हमको छोड़ देनी चाहिए, हमारे लिए नहीं बनी है। ठीक है, एक तो होता है कि यार मैं सेम चीज 3 and 4 इज काइंड ऑफ सेम क्वेश्चन, सीए वर्थ है कि नहीं, आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन यू इन द बिगिनिंग। एंड द लास्ट वही है कि भाई आपकी सैलरी, सचिन को पता है, मुझे पता है, अंकित को पता है, नकुल भाई को पता है, सबसे मोस्ट आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन सैलरी कितनी है, आपकी सैलरी कितनी है।
सबसे ज्यादा व्यू भी इसी क्वेश्चन में आए हैं आशीष के।
नहीं, सबसे ज्यादा लाइफ आफ्टर सीए आए जो अंकित भाई के हैं।
हाँ, तो
But yeah.
which includes the salary aspect as
देखो
well, no?
देखो
Yeah,
बेस पैकेज तो हम बता सकते हैं बिग फोर कितनी ऑफर करती है
I
फ्रेशर को, उसके
can't
बाद फिर
share
आपके ऊपर
anything.
है, उसके बाद आपके ऊपर है आप कितना उसे
हाँ।
इंक्रीज करा सकते
I can't share anything what Sally.
हो। तो वेल नोन फैक्ट है यार।
Somebody just disclosed my salary, recently in the comment. One of our fellow chartered accountant but I don't know if it is correct or not. Sajin, you seen it, na?
Sorry.
Mukesh comment in my video about the salary. He mentioned some number.
People were mentioning the numbers randomly, but
No, he knows
I
exactly,
don't
but
remember.
he was playing with it.
I don't remember if people have correctly mentioned the amount in the comment section.
Okay, let's just go one by one and let's resolve this questions. So
Yeah.
first is about attempts. So मैं चाहता हूँ आप लोग बताओ, मैं तो 1000 बार बता चुका attempt को लेके कितना. I think सज्जन की जो most viewed videos है मेरे चैनल पे, one of it about the attempts. Even नकुल भाई के attempt किए हैं most viewed, and अंकित की भी एक उसमें most viewed है. So please आप लोग बताइए एक बार.
अटेम्प्ट एक सर्टेन लेवल पे तो मैटर करती ही है. So there was this guy from our batch. So he gave 2 attempts, but then his package was equivalent to a rank holder. So he got package of almost double the amount which I got.
We can disclose his salary. He's
The
not
the,
here.
the range the range was over 16 LPA. The range
18.
was over 16 LPA.
He even got
Yeah.
ESOPs.
Yeah, he got even ESOPs, and if you keep ESOPs apart, I guess it is around 18.
Yeah, he made like 22, I guess, in
So
the
it's
end.
very subjective, and it also depends upon the experience that you have during your articleship. Um,
You
so
know,
the recent experience
there was
that
one
we have
person
for
also, Sajin.
articleship.
You remember
Sorry.
Arun Mahindra?
Yeah. Oh,
He
he's
got
also
in
there.
BPCL for like 20 lakhs up from the campus.
So he passed in first attempt, na. So
Yeah, both
I'm yeah.
in first attempt.
I'm trying to give
The
an
total marks
example
were
of somebody
400,
who has
net 400.
given 2 attempts. Yeah. Sorry.
His total
और
marks were
उसका
net 400
400 था.
only.
No, that is there, but then the attempt is one, na. If you
CSE उसका क्राइटेरिया कैंपस में रहता ही है फर्स्ट
Yes,
अटेम्प्ट का.
yes.
first
So
बहुत
attempt
ग्रुप्स.
वो
is,
मैटर कैंपस के लिए बहुत करता है attempts, I guess. Because the
So
person whom we are talking
Shortlisted.
about, he also got through campus only.
yeah.
Right.
But then there are
So
companies who are willing to take people who have given more than one attempt in a decent package. There would be
yeah,
companies. The guy which I'm talking about was selected in the second round of campus, not even the first round.
I know
So
that
that
guy.
was something new. That was something new.
Everybody knows that guy.
Everybody from our friend circle knows that guy.
Even the person
Uh,
here, Ankit, he
Hmm.
lives nearby now.
Yeah, right.
Very near.
So basic यही है हमारा कहना कि देखो attempt का फर्क पड़ता है. If you are aiming for a higher package, so you have to clear your CA with a minimum attempt, or we can say in single attempt, or you can manage with the
Single, or
average
you also
package.
have to, I mean, the rank as well, if you can
Yeah,
score
rank as
if
well,
for good
correct.
package. The rank is quite important.
But अगर आपको average
Then
package
you
में
can
ठीक हो,
easily get.
you can have attempts.
नहीं, अगर
But
अगर
अगर
आपको सिंगल में भी नहीं हो पा रहा तो 2 या 3 तक आप कर सकते हो. तब भी मतलब थोड़ा सब्जेक्टिविटी रहती है, बिकॉज़ वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड got around 12 LPA in taxation. So he cleared in a 4th attempt. So 12 LPA is above average at the moment. 12 LPA was his fixed part. Bonus and all, it would amount to 14.5 something. Those
you
bonuses
know
are
one
subjective
thing,
in Big Four.
when we say 12 AP is more than average, यार सीए वाले बच्चे आजकल जो कर रहे हैं उनकी एक्सपेक्टेशन है फॉर्च्यूनर खरीदने की सीए बनते ही. उनको 12 बोलते उनको 12 कब लगता है? Because they are watching Instagram reels and वहाँ सब अमीर है. So for 10-12 LPA for them it's like भाई पैसे ही नहीं है, ये तो कम ही
I think
सैलरी है.
we'll
सीए
be
बर्बाद.
back to the days where 9 LPAs and 12 LPAs will be the standard one, because IT का पता नहीं अभी जो जितना हाइप था उतना है नहीं अभी. But then it is very subjective, अभी कुछ बोल नहीं सकते.
बट ये अटेम्प्ट वाला क्राइटेरिया सिर्फ आई थिंक एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर अ फ्रेशर तभी इतना मैटर करता है. आफ्टर आपके पास 1-2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस आ गया पोस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन, देन इट बिकम्स आई मीन सेकेंडरी, बहुत
Exactly.
नॉट
बट
दैट
वहाँ पे एक
इम्पोर्टेंट.
चीज और आई थी ना कि आपका बेस पैकेज क्या था, क्योंकि आपके जो अप्रेजल्स हैं जो हाइक हैं दैट विल बी लिंक टू योर बेस पैकेज. आप कितने फ्रेशर आए, फिर आपकी सारी जॉब्स उसी हिसाब से इंक्रीमेंट आते हैं कि भाई हम आपको ले रहे हैं, आपको 50% इंक्रीमेंट दे देंगे, 30 दे देंगे. कंपनी अप्रेजल्स हो रहे हैं,
राइट.
भाई को 10% बढ़ा दिए तेरा.
Correct.
Yeah,
Correct.
but I think attempt is more of one of the factor of getting a job. You have
Yes,
multiple factors when you are appearing for. You have to how well you are able to present yourself in the interview. How well is your articleship experience? There are
I think
multiple
an
factors. So
attempt is
if
something
there
that
are
will help you to get a quick shortlisting.
yeah, quick
Right.
shortlisting. So yeah,
It
if
will put
two
you to the
peoples are
table.
there
It will
and they
put you
have
to the table. Attempt will put you to the
there
table for interview.
right. If there are two
Yes.
people, they have same skill set, then definitely a person who's having less attempt, he will be preferred in the nomination. But if there are two people who have different skill set, I have experience during my interview only. There were people who cleared the exams in first attempt, but they were not able to present themselves. So they were easily able to clear in their first and second round, but eventually in their fourth or fifth round, they were rejected. So
Mm.
that's how like there are multiple factors. Attempt is just one of the factors.
Mm.
So guys, the second question, any thoughts on this कि अगर आप 30 की एज में सीए बन रहे हैं तो आपको कंपनी जॉब नहीं मिलेगी? Any thoughts?
I guess it depends on
I
the
haven't come across this case. I mean, such case आज तक, तो I can't say.
uh,
I'm not the right person.
Age
यहाँ
matter.
पे
I
मेरे को
think
एक चीज लगती है यार। अंकित आप बताओ।
yeah, yeah, my matter was like मेरा point बस यही था इसमें कि age you should definitely qualify before you're 25 because
mm,
सारी जिंदगी अगर तुम्हारा 20s तुम्हारा peak होता है and if you're going to spend whole your uh, that 20s in just
mm.
studying हर टाइम में तुम्हें टेंशन हो रही है यार मेरे को अभी एग्जाम देना है उसको खत्म करो पहले और फिर बन जाओ क्योंकि if because after 30 you will definitely most of us going to get married by 30 क्या पता सीए करते करते तुम्हारी शादी हो जाए then you are not going to have that freedom or everything.
I don't know
So
यार because
definitely,
we are about to be 30. I don't see any expectation or hope about
I
this
mean,
thing.
most of people do because
So our peak is
before
over
this.
then.
So you have to clear.
Oh
मतलब,
wait,
for
let's
me,
let's
you
take a
have to clear
moment.
before 20.
Let's take a moment, guys. Aman has just joined. Aman, I have given your introduction quick one by myself, but I really want you to give your introduction now from your side. Aman, can you hear us?
Turning on his camera. He's on mute at the moment.
No, we can unmute now.
Mm.
Should I unmute by myself? I don't know what he'll be speaking from his side.
Please don't unmute. I mean, let him be.
Okay, he'll just speak, I guess. Let's ओके मैं इस पे एक कमेंट तो उसके बाद आगे बढ़ते हैं। सो मेरा ये कहना था कि अगर आप 30 में सीए बन रहे हैं दैट्स नॉट अ इशू, बट यहाँ मैटर करता है कि आपको उससे पहले प्रायर एक्सपीरियंस था कि नहीं था। क्या पता आपका 30 से पहले एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं है और आप 30 में बोले मैं सीए बनाऊँ बस, आई डोंट हैव एनी सिंगल प्रायर एक्सपीरियंस, तो आई थिंक दैट विल इम्पैक्ट योर जॉब एंड पैकेज ऑल्सो।
Correct.
इतना ही है बस। 30 में सीए बन के यू कैन नॉट एक्सपेक्ट कि मेरी एज ज़्यादा तो मेरा पैकेज ज़्यादा होगा। पैकेज आपको बेसिक ही मिलेगा, सो यू हैव टू मैनेज विद दैट।
I think the age of experience matters the most.
I like it.
So,
Yeah, Sajjan is actually resting while talking. This is a very good thing, actually. He's such a comfortable guy. I'm the only one who's been like managing everything. My God, how can I manage this call?
no, I think
Manoj has
Yes,
also
yes,
joined.
yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
Manoj also
We have
has
not
joined.
listened from Manoj. So, दोस्तों
Yeah.
सुनो, हमने बहुत कर ली पढ़ाई की बात, but I really want something कि आपको पता चले life after CA and how you can live your life. इससे मनोज भाई फिर आप फ्रीली कुछ भी बोल सकते हो. There is no censorship. I know you won't be using any kind of that words, but please कुछ बताइए लाइफ आफ्टर सीए आपने क्या किया, कैसी लाइफ रही, फिर थोड़े सीरियस टॉपिक फिर आ जाएंगे. प्लीज मनोज जी.
श्योर मैम. ओके भाई, तो मोस्ट ऑफ पीपल थिंक कि भाई सीए ही एक मतलब सीए मतलब क्या है, आर्टिकल सिर्फ जॉब, फिर उसमें प्रमोशन, रिटायरमेंट एंड ऑल है ना. बट फॉर मी सीए से बियॉन्ड सीए मैं जाना चाहता था, एंड राइट नाउ मैं बियॉन्ड सीए ही अपनी लाइफ को जो है एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ. करेंटली मैं ट्रैवल बहुत करता हूँ, एज यू गाइज नो कि बहुत सारे ट्रैवल में तुम लोग भी पार्टिसिपेट हुए हो. ठीक है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें करी हुई हैं हमने, जो आई डोंट थिंक कि इस वेबिनार में अपन लोग खुल के बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो ट्रैवल करना एक फ्रेंड सर्कल के साथ एक जो होता है ना कि एंजॉय करना, वो मैंने ओवर द पीरियड करता आ रहा हूँ और आगे भी करता रहूँगा। वो मेरा पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ है और वो मुझे ना बहुत ज़्यादा पॉजिटिवनेस एटीट्यूड का एक देता है। ठीक है, लाइफ में मैं कभी भी सैड होता हूँ बिकॉज अभी ड्यूरिंग मतलब सीए, आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग सीए, मैं सीए में जॉब करने लगा। ड्यूरिंग जॉब बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी जो नेगेटिविटी की तरफ लेके जा रही थी, तो उसको मैं थोड़ा सा साइड बेस करके अपनी जो लाइफ में एंजॉय कर रहा था, उससे मेरे को थोड़ा ओवरकम होने में हेल्प किया। करंटली मैं जॉब छोड़ के टोटली मतलब मेरे पापा के अगेंस्ट में जाके, मेरी फैमिली के अगेंस्ट में जाके मैं अभी अपना जो करियर में मेरा जो ऑब्जेक्टिव था, मेरे को कुछ जो एम्बिशंस था कि मुझे बिजनेस करना है, बिकॉज आई थिंक मैं यार एक एक्सीडेंटल सीए हूँ, मैं अपने आप को कंसीडर करता हूँ, बिकॉज मेरा कोई भी एक प्लान नहीं था कि आई वांट टू बी अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट। मेरा कोई एम्बिशन नहीं था, मेरा कुछ भी प्लान नहीं था कि मुझे सीए बनना है। मेरा बस ये प्लान था कि यार लाइफ में एक सक्सेसफुल सन बनना है, अपने पेरेंट्स को प्राउड फील कराना है, बस। तो उसके लिए मेरा हाँ ये जरूर था कि यार बिजनेस जरूर करना, अपने लाइफ में जो भी करूँगा ना अपने लिए करूँगा। सो वही माइंडसेट से मैं आगे बढ़ता रहा। बट हाँ ये था कि यार हम, मुझे लगता है अपन लोग ऑलमोस्ट जितने भी हैं यहाँ पे, जो भी अपन लोग मिडिल क्लास या अब मिडिल क्लास से ही बिलोंग करते हैं। कोई भी फैमिली में कोई बड़ा आई थिंक बैकअप प्लान नहीं है, किसी का बड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग बैकअप नहीं है। तो अपना भी यही था, तो उसके लिए मेरे को ये था कि यार सीए एक अच्छा बैकअप रहेगा। एंड सिर्फ सीए की तरफ ले जाने के लिए तो मेरे को पुश किया ना, वो सिर्फ एक अकाउंट सब्जेक्ट था, तो मुझे इंटरेस्ट था, तो मैं उसके चक्कर में इसको मैं अपने करियर में परस्यू करने लगा। डेफिनेटली आशीष के साथ मैंने आई थिंक स्टार्ट किया था, आईपीसी से हम लोग साथ थे, तो आशीष तो मुझे बहुत बहुत करीब से जानता है तब से। सो अभी सीए भी बन गए साथ में, आई थिंक सीए अपन लोग ने साथ में ही क्लियर किया है मोस्ट प्रोबेबली 23 नवंबर
यस
में।
यस यस
बट फिर उसके बाद देन अपन लोग साथ में ही जॉब जॉब वगैरह करने लगे। स्टार्ट साथ में ही हुआ था, बट डिफरेंट डिफरेंट उसका, वो ऑडिट फर्म में गया, मैं कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर में, बिकॉज मुझे थोड़ा कॉर्पोरेट में करना था, बिकॉज ऑडिट में मुझे लगता था थोड़ा सा वो बैलेंस, वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस नहीं मिलेगा मे बी, दैट्स व्हाई कि मैं कॉर्पोरेट करता हूँ। कॉर्पोरेट में गया, देन कॉर्पोरेट में भी मल्टीपल स्विच करना। एक आप लोगों को पता लग गया, जॉब में मैं कभी सेटिस्फाई नहीं हुआ, इसलिए मेरे अगर आप सीवी देखेंगे तो आपको दिखेगा कि कितना मैंने जॉब स्विच करे हैं। ड्यूरिंग द 1 ईयर आई थिंक 4 to 5 जॉब मैं स्विच कर चुका हूँ कॉर्पोरेट में। सो देन फाइनली आई डिसाइड कि यार नहीं यार, मेरे को जॉब नहीं जमता, मुझे अपना खुद का करना है। देन मैंने बहुत सारे प्लान्स वगैरह डिस्कस करे आशीष के साथ, और ये अपने अंकित हो गए, नकुल भाई, या अपने जो भी सर्कल में, सबको मैंने अपना प्लान्स वगैरह बताया। मे बी एक स्टार्ट भी किया था विद आशीष, जो कि अपना ये अपना कपड़ों का कुछ था, ठीक है। देन ये फेल हो गया, मुझे लगा थोड़ा नहीं चल पाएगा अपने से। देन मैंने कहा नहीं, कुछ और देखते हैं थोड़ा सा, तो मेरे को हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल पे थोड़ा सा मैंने रिसर्च किया और मुझे इंटरेस्ट भी था। देन मैंने कहा नहीं, इस पे करते हैं। एंड आई होप गाइज, मुझे मुझे जो लगता है, मैं इनको जो बताता हूँ दोस्तों को जितने भी मेरे सर्कल में, आई थिंक आई एम डूइंग वेल राइट नाउ, टिल नाउ आई एम डूइंग राइट। सो अभी अच्छा चल रहा है, होपफुली आगे भी अच्छा चलता रहेगा। एंड मुझे थोड़ा ये हासिल करना, और साथ में हाँ अपने आप को टाइम देना ज़रूरी है, और वो टाइम मैं अपने आप को ट्रैवल दे के करता हूँ। आप जिम जाके करो या अदर कुछ भी अपने आप को इन्वॉल्व करके करो अदर एक्टिविटीज़ में, तो मेरे लिए ट्रैवल सबसे बेस्ट रहता है, बिकॉज ट्रैवल से मैं एक तो अपने आप को बढ़िया से जान पाता हूँ, ठीक है, और दूसरा मैं अपने आप को जो बिजनेस में लाया हूँ ना, वो ट्रैवल के थ्रू ही ला पाया हूँ। मैं वहाँ से बहुत चीज़ें सीखी है, उसके आइडिया को लेके ही मैंने अपने जो बिजनेस पे जो है बहुत सारी चीज़ें इम्प्लीमेंट भी करता हूँ। सो आई थिंक यार वही चीज़ें हैं, अभी आगे और बहुत कुछ करना बाकी है। सो लेट्स सी कहाँ तक पहुँच पाते हैं, अभी तक चल रहा है, आगे भी करते रहेंगे यार।
बहुत बढ़िया मनोज, बहुत बढ़िया। वैसे मैं भी कुछ शेयर कर दूं मनोज के बारे में। मनोज मेरे को बहुत पहले मिला था आईपीसीसी के टाइम पे, बट सीए की एक बुरी बात पता है क्या होती है मनोज, मेरी 2019 से लेके 2023 तक बात ही नहीं हुई। हमारी बात हुई है 24 में, जब हम सीए बन चुके थे, एंड वी मेट आफ्टर 4 or 5 years, सीधा हमारी कॉन्वोकेशन।
यस
जब
यस
हम मिले आई वाज रियली वेरी हैप्पी, एंड आई थिंक उसके बाद तो सब हिस्ट्री है, बिकॉज वी ऑलरेडी डिड लाइक 8 or 9 ट्रिप्स साथ में। एंड उसके मतलब मनोज जब बिजनेस प्लान कर रहा था ना, तो उसने मुझे बताया था घर वाले एग्री नहीं कर रहे, डैड मान नहीं रहे हैं, इतनी अच्छी हाइंग पे स्केल जॉब छोड़ के तू इतना रिस्क लेगा, एकदम नई चीज का बिजनेस चालू करना, इसमें कोई जान पहचान नहीं, कुछ नहीं। बेचारा सैड भी था बीच में थोड़ा सा कि सपोर्ट थोड़ा कम है, बट इसने मुझे बोला भी था कि चलो एक बेनिफिट है, दोस्त हैं, दोस्तों का साथ है, तो आई थिंक आई एम फीलिंग क्वाइट मोटिवेटेड एंड एबल टू डू इट। एंड अभी भाई कर रहा है हमारा, आई थिंक ही इज डूइंग वेरी गुड। एंड अभी करेगा, अभी तो बहुत है, अभी तो बहुत बढ़ाने वाला है, अभी तो
अभी
तुम
तो
देखो इसके,
बहुत बहुत कुछ करना है।
अभी तुम देखोगे अभी मनोज आएगा इसके साथ एक प्रॉपर पॉडकास्ट शूट करूंगा, तुम जानोगे भाई इतना एमबी वाले जो सीखेगा नहीं 2 साल में ना, इसने 4 महीने में सीख लिया। मार्केट पे घूम घूम के सप्लाई चेन क्या होती है, कनेक्शन क्या होता है, कैसे पैकेजिंग है, क्या पैकेजिंग, कोई डिजाइन टीम ने कुछ नहीं, रॉ खुद प्लान करा है इसने सब। आई थिंक बहुत कुछ आने वाला है फ्यूचर में, तो वही है।
Yes.
So I guess we can move to the next one. Aman is here. Can you please check Sajin if Aman is here?
Hi, Aman. Can you hear us?
He has joined the call.
He has joined the call, but
Can
then
you please
he's
call
on
him
mute.
and check
Let me
from your
check.
phone?
हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री के किंग है अमन, तो
Yeah,
आई
that's
थिंक
the
उनका
reason.
उनके
You
व्यूज
know,
सुनना
you
भी
know,
बहुत
the
जरूरी
main
है.
thing is this: Aman is managing articles, almost like 20-30 articles. So उसकी तरफ से पर्सपेक्टिव अच्छा मिलेगा कि वो आर्टिकल्स को कैसे क्या देख रहा है आर्टिकल्स में, वो सुनाता बहुत है ना आर्टिकल्स को, सो व्हाट इज द एग्जैक्ट मिस्टेक्स होती आर्टिकल्स, तो मैं वो जानना चाहता हूँ।
अमन इज सेइंग कि अनम्यूट नहीं हो रहा है उसका.
अनम्यूट नहीं हो रहा, ओके, आई विल जस्ट do it, give me a
Now
moment.
it's done. Now it's done. I'm
It came na.
audible, guys.
Yes Aman,
Hi
you're
Aman,
audible.
how are you?
Hi, good evening, everyone.
Aman, can you
Not
please give
sure.
your quick introduction? We've been eagerly waiting for
Yeah,
that.
guys. Really sorry for being late. I had an last minute cricket appointment.
Yeah, we
So
know.
Ashish would have already introduced me. I'm Aman Verma. I'm a chartered accountant. I qualified in November 22. Me and Ashish, Nakul Bhai, Sajin, we all are PKF products. So I did my articleship in a firm called PKF Sridhar Santanam LLP, and since then, it's since 2019, I've been part of that firm, and currently also I'm working with them. And currently, I've been working in the internal audit space, predominantly in hospitality and retail industry. So that
So
was
thanks
about
for
me.
this introduction, Aman. Actually, Aman, हमारा ये था ना तुमसे एक क्वेश्चन कि I know like you are managing the team of like 20-30 articles. So यहाँ जो जो जितने भी attendees हैं, they are like not that old by terms of age, and even with the CA stage, like they're in the intermediate or foundation, they will be getting into articles very soon in future. So like तू जब मैनेज करता है आर्टिकल्स को, व्हाट आर यू रियली लुकिंग फॉर, और सॉरी आप जब मैनेज करते हो, कहीं कल को कोई कुछ बोल दे तो आप मैनेज
Better,
करते हो
better.
आर्टिकल्स को, तो आप एग्जैक्टली क्या देखते हो आर्टिकल्स में and क्यों उनको सुनाते हो, ऐसी कौन सी मिस्टेक वो कर रहे हैं कि आप हर आर्टिकल को आपने सुना रखा है एक टाइम पे?
Look, I think it is a gap that that will never be bridged. Articles have a different perspective. We also had a different perspective when we were articles. We never understood the other side. And similarly, as leaders or managers, we may also miss out on their perspective sometimes. But one or two basic things that currently people are lagging behind in is uh, uh, nobody expects articles to be technical experts. All we expect is that they should have basic level of knowledge and they should be proactive. So if I speak typically about the work, what we expect is that uh, look, if you don't know something, please don't wait for somebody to highlight it to you because the manner in which it may get highlighted may differ and it sometimes it may be pleasing, sometimes it may not be very pleasing for you when somebody other highlights your mistake. So it's better you engage with your seniors like I did with you and Sajin and Nakul bhai. Though I didn't get to learn anything much from you guys.
I think we never worked together. I was the person in my articleship जो कभी टीम में था ही नहीं. I was the person who was working with the seniors only, like leaders.
Okay.
Everybody knows
I
that.
guess we traveled together. Aman and I traveled to Shimla together. I
Yeah.
think during traveling, I think we have learned a lot from each other. things might be learned subconsciously, and not only on a professional level, but I guess we have learned other things as well from each other, not limiting to the
So
professional part in terms of learning.
correct, and we all have been good friends. We all have had very good relations since then. Now, since the articleship has become of 2 years, couple of important things that every person who's wanting to become a chartered accountant should focus on. That earlier people used to get much more time, and uh, earlier the thing used to be that post your 2 years completion, you'll go for an exam and then later on come back and complete your articleship. So during the last 6 months of your articleship, you would have the academical knowledge also to apply and learn, and that would result in the learning rate would increase because you have the book knowledge also. But now
Mm.
the thing is that you only have 2 years, and that I think that those last 6 months are a big loss. It may be, all the articles are very happy that now they are able to complete the articleship within 2 years. But when they'll go to the market and they'll see what are the expectations of the industry, they'll get a shock. So it's high time that they'll have to put some extra efforts in getting that knowledge,
In that short
whatever
span of time.
they'll miss
Mhm.
out, whatever
Uh,
they'll miss out during the loss of
right.
those 6 months.
एक ना
Correct.
बहुत फेमस बात हुआ करती थी हमारे टाइम पे आर्टिकलशिप पे कि थर्ड ईयर में जब आर्टिकल आएगा ही विल बी एक्ट लाइक अ लीडर, क्योंकि वो 2 साल में इतना सीख चुका
Correct,
होता था. आई थिंक वो
correct.
चीज़ अब थोड़ा सा लैग करेगी, क्योंकि फर्स्ट ईयर बंदा आ रहा है, अडेप्ट कर रहा है टाइम के साथ साथ, सेकंड वो काम अच्छे से करना चालू करता है, तो लीड लीड करना ऑडिट को, दैट इज समथिंग विच इज नॉट मच feasible right now with the articles, I guess.
But I guess Ashish, you kind of led a team after your 1 year of articleship.
Because I was not really working with articles na, I was working with the seniors. Like
Okay.
post my articleship, when I went to do one project, Nakul bhai was there, and that time he was
Mm,
super senior, I guess. Damn it.
mm,
Nakul Bhai is a legend. He's a legend.
Yeah,
He was
5 years
there
plus
when we entered.
experience.
mm. I think he has left
No, I haven't left, bhai.
a good
I'm
mark.
here only.
No, no, what I meant to say was you have left a good mark on PKF articles
Yeah, only I was not
as a
able
I
to do
thought you
senior.
were
so.
saying I've left the call.
No, 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 no.
That is good actually.
Right.
So
I
now
hope
you can
I hope
see
my mother is
it's,
also listening. Ki I'm a legend.
yeah. So guys, this is a let's talk session right now. We have completed like most of the topics. I tried to touch upon all the topics that was a frequent asked things in my live stream,
Mm,
even in the comments. So now if there's any specific question, you can just type it. So we'll just gone through the same. And one more
mm.
thing is here, like we have one more chartered accountant in the attendees right now. Shalini, na Sajin. Shalini has also joined.
Oh,
She's
hi,
she's just
Shalini.
reacting.
Mm.
So
I think you
Yeah.
should come over the call.
yeah,
Hi,
you
hi
should say something.
everyone.
Mm, mm,
I've said hi.
mm.
So hi, Ashid. It was a really good webinar. I'm sorry I attended a little late,
Yeah,
but
I forced you to
yeah.
join now. Please
No,
join.
no, you did not force me. I actually wanted to come. Come on, don't say like this.
Mm,
And it was a really good session. So much new opinions we got to know from so many
mm.
experts here. Alternative business plans and articleship experiences. So it was really good to know.
You have anything to share? Like if there's two or three things that has been changed so drastically after qualifying CA, that you feel in life right now. Okay, this is changed.
One of the thing that you guys just discussed is the period of articleship, which has shortened by 1 year, and it's actually a very important year for articles to lead, and that is when they actually realize if they are capable of how I'm not capable is not the word, but how much they've come to lead a company or to lead a team, because after CA you people they expect that one of the most important qualities that to lead your team. So that is something that they might you know they might not be able to experience. Not everyone, some are obviously extraordinary people are there, and they will do it in their first year. Like you and I, Ashish, even I also led team in my first year. So
You're a
yeah.
champion.
No, I was not a champion. Not just that, being a girl, I was the only girl article in whole of my office. So you have to be a little more um, out there to stand out. Whatever the quality you have, even if it's your smile, girls and everyone's smile is something that will keep you moving, and everyone will love you for that. It's a fact. I've learned it. So yeah, be happy. Whatever. I think it's important that whatever you're doing, even during your articleship, even if you're in, big four or in mediocre firm, doesn't matter. Wherever you are, just love your work. Whatever time you're giving to your work is very important. That you actually love it and actually learn something from that. That is very, very, very important. Because if you don't love your work, you won't love your life. Because work is something that you cannot escape from, after being a chartered, because you're doing CA for working, even even if you're leading as a partner or anyone. But it's important that whatever you're doing, you're just loving it. That's all.
Perfect, perfect. I think we
Thank
should
you.
just look for a questions if there's any question in the chat box.
Yeah, I'll also share a couple of examples.
Please, please,
Like,
Aman, please.
so like Manoj Bhai was mentioning about other things that he does or he plans to do apart from chartered accountancy. Recently, I was just discussing with couple of articles.
Hmm.
But, people complain that Gen Zs are not willing to work or they are not hardworking. But what I have observed is actually their perspective is very different from us. I was working with an article during closure, like we had submitted a draft report, so we were just randomly discussing. He was on the call whole time, so I said that the audit is already completed. What are you discussing with and with whom? So he told that please don't tell anybody. I've not told this to anybody. He, being an article earning 20,000 rupees a month, he is running a blanket warehouse doing a 17 crore turnover,
Wow,
employing 70 people.
wow.
So, that risk appetite at that age, it is something that I felt that we are small in front of them. Like it really surprised me that we have not done anything in our lives. There
But
are
but
there
but I
there are a
think
couple of
we were not that resourceful also, I get. I think the family
no, no,
background, the
that is one thing.
resources.
That is one thing. But the vision is one thing. Even if
Yes.
somebody gives you the capital, to convert it into a
Hmm.
business and employ 70 people and manage them, their compliances. Productivity is doing his audit. He's an article.
Wow.
Productivity comes to do his audit. Okay, so that is some that another. There is one girl. She's very she doesn't speak much. So one day she opened up and she told that I have an Instagram page, I have a clothing brand. I think we
I
know
know.
her,
Even
but
Sajin
it's
knows it.
it's better not to it's
Mm,
better not to take anybody's name here.
mm.
There is another girl who's running a meme page and she's very
Wow.
good at it. So and we had our friend Aditya Saurabh, how
Hmm.
good he was in poetry.
Yeah, correct.
Very
We
Now,
true.
also have one friend,
so
Ashish Sharma. Do you know?
yeah, he's trying. He says
He is too trying some changey stuff. He has
I tried
opened up
this
his
and that.
YouTube channel, and then he has some 2K subscriber, and he's
I do a
conducting
lot
some
of things
webinar.
apart from it.
Road to 1 million subscribers.
Yeah, route to
I'm
1 million
I'm
subscriber.
trying to buy some stake in his YouTube
Mm,
channel. He's not
mm,
responding to me.
mm.
As per
These
Ankit and
days,
Sajin, they have already taken
mm,
all the stake.
I guess Ashish is in a stage where he does not need his friends for views now. I guess he has become the brand itself. He is the face of the channel now, and he's loving every bit when he makes his videos for the channel. And we have seen his effort for this particular webinar as well. He has been
I'll
following
just
up
So
share
with
one
us.
quick thing with
he
you.
is that
Yeah.
he is that one penguin who went to the other side.
Mm, mm.
I'll share a very quick thing with you. You know, a lot of people
Mm,
have been asking me
mm,
CMA की video लेके आओ, CMA की video लाओ.
mm,
So yesterday I
mm,
shot this video. It took me like 1.5 hours
mm.
to shot the video. Like वो पूरा
Oh my
content
God.
निकालना, shoot करना. But it took
Mm.
me 5 hours almost to edit.
Oh
वो
my
पूरी
God.
video सुनना, कट करना, कंपाइल करना, विजुअल्स डालना, ये वो लाइक मेरा पूरा आज का दिन उसमें एडिट करने में गया बिकॉज़ आई कमिटेड समबडी कि मैं अपलोड करूँगा. वो बहुत ज़्यादा डिले हो
Mm,
रहा था. तो आई थिंक
mm,
मेरा वीकेंड पूरा ऐसे ही गया है. वेबिनार उसके चक्कर में.
mm,
सो वही है. समटाइम्स इट टेक्स सम
mm,
एफर्ट्स कि रोज़
mm.
वीडियो भी डालना है, ये सब भी करना है.
We
बट यू
get
आर
Actually,
you're a
डूइंग
I
गुड.
think,
celebrity now, Ashish.
and
आई
Ashish,
डोंट
we
नो.
are also putting some effort for the 33% of the revenue of the channel, you know. So,
Yeah, I know,
so
I
I
know, I
guess.
know. You are doing all the efforts. I think I should put some female empowerment now in the channel. It's high time
Shalini is there.
to bring
Shalini is
Shalini
there.
on
She
channel,
can,
Eva,
she can
Seema,
empower
so many
Of
other
CAs
course,
around.
subscribers. Yes.
happy to, happy to.
Yeah,
Actually, we did try,
everybody's
but
happy when we are on live stream, but then they will just back off.
they got too happy.
Once we turn on our laptop, the happy smiles are gone.
Okay, let's just quickly resolve all the questions. I think then we can wrap up. Okay, so let me just read the questions.
And talking about rap, so Ashish, after the call, what are you offering, momos or rap?
I'm going to gym after call. Let's talk
No, no,
after
but
10 or
then
10:30 p.m.
okay, we are expecting some party after the call.
Yeah, yeah,
We
yeah.
are doing some party or something.
Okay, so I think शाइवी जागवानी का क्वेश्चन था एफपीएनए को लेके. सो सीए बनने के बाद एफपीएनए में जॉब लग जाती है. आई हैव सीन कॉर्पोरेट में खुद के दोस्त एफपीएनए में थे. एंड एफपीएनए में कुछ ऐसा एक्सपर्टीज टेक्निकल की जरूरत नहीं है. फ्रेशर को भी एफपीएनए में जॉब मिल जाती है. इट ऑल डिपेंड्स कंपनी में वैकेंसी हो. एंड कॉर्पोरेट्स में जब ये चीजें आती हैं ऑब्वियसली दे आर लुकिंग फॉर मिनिमल अटेम्प्ट वाले लोग. उनके जेडी में होता है मिनिमम 1 अटेम्प्ट 2 अटेम्प्ट. तो उस हिसाब से अगर मैच करती है प्रोफाइल यू कैन गेट देयर. कोई इतनी बड़ी बात नहीं है एफपीएनए जॉब मिलना. ठीक है, उसमें कोई
The,
टेक्निकल इतना रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है स्किल की.
like the probability is even higher if you have a stat audit
Yeah,
experience.
correct. But I think even internal will work in this because that is more about
Ah,
forecasting, review, monitoring, variance
that is
Yeah,
analysis.
it looks very fashionable, but actually it is not a very exciting profile when you get
Yeah, very boring. And routine job
But
every
then
month.
if you go into the strategic part of the job, I think see, as an auditor, what we are doing is we are just commenting on the processes or commenting on the mistakes what people are doing. But then being involved in the process takes a lot.
Correct.
So
That is fine,
that
but
part is
one should
also
not
there.
one should not go with an expectation that he'll directly get into the strategic role. He should have that patience to work because that will take
Exactly.
around 5 to 7 years minimum.
Exactly. If you climb up to that VP ladder, I guess you will have that strategic level of feasibility in the role.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so Sumit were asking about like अगर आपके दोस्त क्लियर कर रहे हैं, आप स्टक हो रखे हैं, तो उसे कैसे मैनेज करें? So Sumit, I've been there. अंकित मेरे से सॉरी अमन मेरे से पहले क्वालिफाई हुआ. अमन ने मुझे जलाई बहुत बार. ऐसी कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. उसने एटीट्यूड मेरे सामने दिखाया, बट ठीक है, वो मैनेज करना पड़ता है. सचिन was qualified much before me. He used to call
तू
me जब
जल
मेरा
गया
एग्जाम
भाई,
रिजल्ट
तू
होता
जल
था
गया।
कि क्लियर हुआ.
बट हमने आपको कभी एटीट्यूड नहीं दिखाया कि हम जल्दी पास हो गए.
हाँ, ये चीज बहुत. आई थिंक उससे भी ज्यादा ये इंपॉर्टेंट है ना कि आप सीए की चटनी से अपने फोकस करो कि भाई मेरा क्या सीन है कि भाई मैंने अपने एफर्ट मारा नहीं मारा, मैंने क्लियर करा नहीं करा टाइम पे. आपको अपने एफर्ट देखना है. दुनिया को देखोगे तो ऑब्वियसली उस कॉम्प्लेक्स चक्कर में पढ़ाई नहीं कर पाओगे.
Look, I'll tell you one thing, one simple thing. Look, if you are not passing, just simply think that you are not deserving enough currently. It's simple.
You have not done much.
Correct. Respect the degree. The day you'll deserve it, you'll get it.
ऑल्सो आई थिंक उन्होंने 25 वाली टू क्लियर बिफोर 25 को थोड़ा ज्यादा सीरियस ले लिया है. इन मेरा जस्ट ये पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू
That's
था कि यू
ideal.
गेट मोर टाइम टू enjoy your life. Yeah, that's ideally, but you can clear at 27, 28, 29.
Please let me know if
It's
my
fine.
voice is okay because
At
I
the
should
end, if you're
switch off
getting
my
that degree.
this mic. Is it okay?
It's okay, but then the voice
The
before was better.
professionalism is gone.
Okay.
You can choose to enjoy your life before 25 and then clear. Whatever you want.
But you won't be able to focus on your studies. You will lose your rhythm.
Okay, so next question was related to alternate of CA. Boss, I made so many videos regarding that already कि भाई CA के अलावा ACCA कर सकते हैं. There is also like option of doing CIA, CFE, but everything has their different eligibility criteria and different salary structure in future. उसके ऊपर मैंने बहुत सारे वीडियो बना रखे हैं. You can refer that. बाकी अगर किसी और का कोई इसमें thought है, so you can let us know in the
Yes, Ashish,
comment.
regarding the degree, if you can come up with this normal BCom degree along with experience of 2-3 years, and then you have an MBA degree, you can pull it off. No, it's no rocket science. If you have a good experience, if you can communicate well, you have a very good data analytical skills.
Hmm.
I guess you can grow as a professional,
Correct.
no matter the degree
Yes.
what you have.
Okay, so
Because I've seen people who have cleared MBA, they are not chartered, but then we have been reporting to them.
but I think वो MBA भी कहाँ से करा
Hmm.
है
Hmm.
ये चीज कुछ
No,
Yeah,
that
college
factor is also
matters.
there, but then again, if you are like as an intern, you have started right from a big four.
Hmm.
Though the probability is very less, being a BCom graduate, you start off with a big four. That is the contingency is there.
Actually
But then
पता है
again,
सचिन लेकिन एक मेजर इश्यू जो मेरे को देखने को मिलता है बिकॉज आई हैव सीन लाइक सो मेनी JDs ऑफ डिफरेंट कॉर्पोरेट्स सो उनका जो एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया तो वो कहता है आप सीए होने चाहिए फिर एक बोलते हैं CIA होने चाहिए डिपेंड्स ऑन रोल बट इन टर्म्स ऑफ
no, that is there in consulting.
बट
You know, in consulting, people are willing to take people who are not from chartered or maybe CA fraternity. They are okay with people
No,
with
but
MBA
sometimes
degree
you
as
say
well.
na कि MBA from primary
Mm.
colleges, they will not look for
Mm.
MBAs who just the MBA from any college.
Correct.
तो वो भी I think
It's very
थोड़ा सा है.
subjective, but then it is not hard and fast. That's what I meant. It is not hard and fast that you need to have a degree.
Next question was related to some AI tools जो पीयूष पूछ रहा है but AI tools तो नहीं बोलूंगा but I think it is more about prompt generation कि आपको prompt exactly देना आना चाहिए कि जब किसी AI tool को जो exactly बताना क्या चाह रहे हो that should be very clear because मैं इतनी tried and tested करके देख चुका चीजें कि मुझे अगर कोई रिपोर्ट चाहिए तो मैं अगर नॉर्मल प्रॉम्प्ट दूंगा वो एकदम बेकार रिपोर्ट जनरेट करके देगा दैट विल बी लाइक इररिलेवेंट फॉर मी उसको एग्जैक्ट जब तक आप बताओगे नहीं ओके दिस इज माय रिक्वायरमेंट इस फॉर्मेट में चाहिए ये डेटा ऐसे चाहिए दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट prompt is the super important part in case of AI.
Ultimately, it is input and output.
Yes.
Whatever you give as input, output will become, it will come accordingly.
सचिन एनी रिकमेंडेशन कि अगर किसी ने अभी इंटरमीडिएट एग्जाम दिए हैं व्हाट दे शुड डू आफ्टर एग्जामिनेशन टिल रिजल्ट्स
आफ्टर एग्जामिनेशन टिल रिजल्ट जैसे नकुल भाई ने बोला कि एक्सेल वगैरह उनके सेंटर में जो आपका ये आईटीटी का सेंटर होता है उन्होंने काफी अच्छी तरीके से सीखा है तो आईटीटी तो आपका मस्ट ही है और इन केस आपका ऐसा कंडीशन आता है कि आपका आईटीटी में एक्सेल एक्सेल उस तरीके से नहीं सिखा पा रहे तो जैसे नकुल भाई ने बोला कि यू कैन टेक कोर्सेज फ्रॉम यूट्यूब so that part is there and you can start reaching out to the people who are working in big four if you are aiming for big four because जैसे ही आपका रिजल्ट आता है and then you directly jump into the referral part then it looks very mechanical the relationship look very mechanical you start reaching out to the people who are working in big four you can communicate with them create a relationship where you can communicate easily when you can text them easily ताकि आपके रिजल्ट के बाद यू कैन आस्क फॉर रेफरल्स तो लिंक्डइन में आपको एक्टिव होना पड़ेगा बेसिकली
करेक्ट करेक्ट वन मोर क्वेश्चन इज देयर कि यार अगर मैं आर्टिकलशिप हंट करना चाहता हूँ बिकॉज आर्टिकलशिप ढूंढना इज आल्सो अ बिग टास्क सो हाउ कैन आई एक्चुअली रीच द फर्म्स हु आर ऑफरिंग आर्टिकलशिप क्या मुझे लिंक्डइन के थ्रू देखना चाहिए या किसी को कॉल करो फर्म्स में जो जान पहचान वाला क्या वहाँ वैकेंसी है लाइक व्हाट इज द आइडियल मैनर टू लुक फॉर आर्टिकलशिप
पहले तो मतलब अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे सीए टेल्स विद आशीष के चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब करो. There are there are around 10 to 15 CAs in his circle who can refer you.
And like in all the firms actually. You know, recently I posted on industrial training vacancy, but I think that video have not reached audience. वो vacancy चली गई. There was an amazing vacancy of industrial training, but they lost it.
Jokes aside, it's about referrals at the moment. आपके पास अगर बंदे हैं जान पहचान के, वो आपको हेल्प करेंगे ही. Because I have a finance control who has been asking me for CA industrially चाहिए भाई, CV दे दे for FNA role. So it is all about the network that you have.
Correct. I agree with you. I think reference
And
में
once you
खेलेगा.
reach out to people, they will help you. Like even I have been trying in UAE markets, and people from India are very helpful. You know, they have helped me for referrals. Though I have not gone to UAE, but then people are very approachable in LinkedIn. They are ready to help. That is what I have observed.
Correct. I think
So one thing
Yes.
is coming back to the previous question, like in case of a chartered accountant, people may entertain you, but when you are an article, you are like anybody else because you would be coming after clearing an exam which other 20-30,000 people would be clearing. So it's better that you try to do some sort of certification which gives you an edge so you can present it or you can communicate it because to just engage somebody in the conversation to start it. Like Udemy is a one platform. It gives very cheap,
500
or I
rupees
should say
certificate.
economical certificates. So you can do certain courses. You can mention that I've done this so that the other person would also realize that yes, this guy is putting some efforts. Let us consider.
Yes. Rightly said, Aman.
And any courses that you recommend?
No, it depends. Like if somebody like one of the guys who had mentioned that he wants to go in FP&A, then he can look into certifications like for financial modeling or related whatever. There would be predefined topics related to his or her interest. They can explore it, and whatever gives them the best output, and they think it is more usable for them, they can go for that.
Perfect.
I guess Ashish Aman has given you a topic for your content, for your next content.
Oh yeah, correct. I think we should wrap up the questions quickly so we can also get free on time. Okay, so Jaipur is a good city for articleship, and please give some tips of regarding articleship. Ashish, we have discussed about articleship in detail. जब इस webinar की recording आएगी, you will be able to listen to that. Plus, Jaipur is a good city for articleship, but वहाँ पे stipend इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है, तो वो आपको एक बार देखना पड़ेगा. But it is a good place for articleship. ठीक है? Sir, one more question that whether to go for domain expertise or multiple domain exposure. I would suggest to Sumit if you can go for like multiple domain exposure, that would be great. But अगर आपको नहीं मिल रहा है, आप बिग फोर जा रहे हैं वहाँ तो ऑब्वियसली आपको सिंगल डोमेन ही मिलेगा. इट ऑल डिपेंड्स देन. लेकिन अगर मल्टीपल आपको मिल जाता है डाइवर्स एक्सपीरियंस, दैट विल बी ग्रेट फॉर यू. जो मुझे लगता है पर्सनल लेवल पे. Some people may have different opinion, but I don't know.
I'll tell him this. So look, first of all, like Ashish mentioned, it depends upon what opportunity you get because it is not in your hand. Second is that you'll be only able to choose the domain once you experience different domains. Then only you'll be in a position to decide that what you want to do. And later on, ultimately, you need to go for specialization. You cannot be in a position where you are jack of all and master of none. So this is the era of expertization. Ultimately, like some people do CS along with CA just to add one degree. But ultimately, company will pay you only for one job. If you're doing it for value addition, then it is fine. But if you are doing it for, professional purposes, then, getting some additional hype that will not be there. So it's better that you do one thing and become a master of it.
This is a very good thing actually. We are getting different opinions. I like this. I really appreciate that.
Don't speak like Kareena Kapoor, please.
Okay, so we got a next question. So Rohit is saying like, CAs are mostly into statutory audit and this audit part, rather than being so much into this FP&A financial control roles, where CMAs are equally considered at same level. But Rohit, I think CMAs की मैंने आज ही CMA की वीडियो बनाई है, and I have gone through everything. उनका syllabus क्या है, कैसे वहाँ पे चीजें हैं. So I think they are not in the same level. CA के पास ज्यादा expertise है in terms of audit, in terms of taxation, in terms of आपका financial reporting and control. CMA के पास यूजुअली वो कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग की तरफ ज्यादा एम्फेसिस डालता है, बाकी सिलेबस में इतना इतना ज्यादा कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव नहीं है. सो आई थिंक थोड़ा डिफरेंस तो है, एंड दैट्स द रीजन कि
Yeah,
सीएस को ज्यादा प्रेफर करा जाता है जॉब्स के लिए rather than CMAs.
in PSUs, CMA and CAs are considered to be equal for certain posts, but in private industry, chartered accountancy degree is preferred. Like, it is uh, it is far ahead of
Hmm.
any other, sister course.
Yes. So if anybody has any thoughts, they can speak. Otherwise, I'll just move to the next question so we can quickly complete it. Okay, so next question is related to that कि भाई मेरे पास एक particular experience नहीं था, but मुझे वो job चाहिए. Now, how can I get into this job without having a relevant experience regarding this particular job role? तो उसके लिए एक सिंपल एग्जांपल दूंगा कि कई लोग सोचते हैं मैं सीए बन गया, मुझे इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग की तरफ जाना है, बट दे आर नॉट हैविंग एनी एक्सपीरियंस. सो वहां पे बहुत टफ है आपका आईबी की तरफ जाना, क्योंकि आपका एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है. दे आर लुकिंग फॉर सच एक्सपीरियंस. सो बहुत ही कम जॉब होंगी, रेफरेंस के थ्रू आपका बेशक हो जाए, बट आई डोंट थिंक कि इनिशियल लेवल पे आप जॉब रोल स्विच कर सकते हैं. या तो आप एकदम छोटी जगह पे जाइए जहाँ पे पहले से वो जॉब रोल आपको मिल जाए, आराम से लर्न करिए वहां पे चीजों को, फिर आगे बढ़िए. एनी थॉट
But then you can,
guys?
you can give a shot even if you don't have experience. You can give a prompt to Chat GPT or any AI tool,
But
which can
I
help
think
you.
but I
Yeah.
think of this practical
Uh,
experience seems different from the body language and from your conversation.
that is there, but then if you can sell yourself,
Yeah, that depends.
who knows? Yeah.
Yes,
So,
maybe it will
you,
work.
you,
Who
you
knows?
should try to give it a shot, or what you can do is you may reach out to people who are having similar experiences in LinkedIn or any other social media platform, and then you can behave or you can create a persona as if you have had that particular experience.
You know, I tell this sometimes, Sachin, कि कई लोग ना इंटरनोट करके नहीं आए होते, उनको जॉब चाहिए. So I tell them just fake it. talk to your friends who have done internal audit. थोड़ा सा ज्ञान दो उनसे, लिख दो आप कुछ भी. आपको बोलने सब बेचने से मतलब है, आपको बोलना है. If you can
Correct.
just speak with the confidence उस चीज को,
Hmm.
answer the interview question, that's all. You can clear it.
Correct.
Hmm.
Guys, we don't promote such activities. It is just for the purpose of
Just for
discussion
fun.
we are discussing.
Just for fun.
No, but
We are very professional
Don't
and
record it.
quality oriented people.
So only I will
we
record
are
it.
being professional. We are being professional. We are assuming that the
Yeah.
execution part that
This is
post
just
getting the
assumption.
job,
ये
you will
जितनी
be
चीजें
you will be
काल्पनिक
doing
है,
in a
काल्पनिक.
professional manner. What I
Look,
meant was,
I have a different view on this. Look, being aspirational is good, but we also had few friends who wanted to go into investment banking, just like Ashish mentioned, without having any clue apart from the name and the assumed package that they would get. Aspirations are good, but you need to ask yourself that what have you done to get that job?
Yes.
You
that
do
is
some
that.
certification, do some knowledge, has gain some knowledge, and then it's better if you really want to go and make it big, go with a base. If you want to start, like Ashish mentioned, you can start at a very small place and compromise on your compensation initially,
Correct.
gain some knowledge, and then grow.
That is a very practical approach, Aman. I totally agree. But then at times you have to be delusional as well. You have to have both the prospect with you, be delusional as well, and you have to be practical as well. So if you have an opportunity where you are not experienced, when you do not have experience, but then you are asked to give an interview, then why not?
Hmm.
Yeah, also I've seen people doing like if they are going into a new area, they start with a less pay to just get the experience even after CA, and then they just switch to other
Correct.
to a
Category.
major company and then get a major
I think
hike,
this is the ideal
like
practice.
50%,
This is
100%.
the
That
ideal
is an
practice.
ideal way. That is an
We
ideal way.
promote this only.
No, but as long as we are getting a shot for an interview, why not?
Okay, let's
Yeah.
take up questions quick because I think it's getting quite late. So guys, do not put any new questions now because obviously we also have some timelines. Okay, so next question is like CS को गवर्नमेंट जॉब मिलती है नहीं मिलती. Obviously there are government jobs, but उसके लिए एग्जाम होते हैं, competition still there, quota system is still there, so आपको मैनेज करना पड़ेगा. जॉब्स होते हैं आपको वो टाइम टू टाइम चेक करनी पड़ेंगी गवर्नमेंट पोर्टल्स पे जो आती हैं. Okay.
CAs are preferred, but just because of the CA degree, you will not get any job.
Yes. This is just the eligibility criteria to give examination. That's all.
Yeah,
There
like
are
in
much more
UPSC,
eligible people also for this job, not just CA.
in UPSC, you have certain jobs wherein if you are a CA, you would be preferred, but for that you need to clear the competitive exam.
Yes, correct. One more thing is here कि foreign courses का बहुत advertisement हो रहा है. Is it worth or not? पहली बात तो ये कि foreign course इतना ज़्यादा I won't say कि worth it in terms of Indian business. ये वो ज़्यादा उसमें लॉजिक बनता है जब कंपनीज का ऑपरेशन या इंडिया से बाहर हो या बाहर की कंपनीज इंडिया में ऑपरेट कर रही हैं. बट आई थिंक CA इज द मोस्ट प्राइम कोर्स अगर आप उनसे कंपेयर करते हो. बट वही है अभी उनको सेल करना है तो एवरीबडी इज प्रमोटिंग अ लॉट दिस काइंड ऑफ कोर्सेज. बट इन टर्म्स ऑफ कॉम्पनसेशन ACCA का इतना कॉम्पनसेशन नहीं है. प्रमोशन बहुत करते हैं यहाँ पे सब लोग. CPA का आई विल से कि आप अगर नॉर्मल जॉब कर रहे हैं आई थिंक कंपनसेशन उस लेवल का नहीं है. इफ इट इज डन अलॉन्ग विद CA ऑब्वियसली तो थोड़ी वैल्यू बनती है. बट जस्ट CPA it won't give you like super high package job. Also like CIA will complement CA degree not alone. इतना कुछ आपको मिलेगा. So I think ये डिग्रीज जो है ये CA को कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर सकती हैं. बट जस्ट इन डिग्रीज को करना विल नॉट गिव यू हाई पैकेज जॉब. जो मेरा ऑब्जर्व है जो मैंने ऑब्जर्व करा है पूरे टाइम में लोगों से बात करके. आई थिंक माई फ्रेंड्स कुड हैव अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ ओपिनियन इन दिस मैटर. प्लीज बताइए दोस्तों.
Agree.
Yeah,
I
even
agree
for
with you.
I've been
I
very fast
agree with
actually.
Ashish. Even for CFA, individual CFA, like I have seen posts on Reddit, people are having very less pay even after clearing all three level of CFA.
Yes,
So
correct.
individual degrees.
And these are very risky courses actually because the fees is very high. If you are not serious, do not go to this kind of courses. The classes fee is super high. Examination fees is like lakhs plus. So I think वो चीज सोच समझ के करना. कोई भी अगर ये ऐसा फॉरेन कोर्स करने का सोच रहे हो इट इज नॉट लाइक ये कि 3,000 रुपये भर दिए हो जाएगा. वैसा नहीं है. पूरी फीस आपकी वेस्ट होती है एक बार में अगर फेल होते हो तो. आई थिंक दैट शुड बी डन वेरी 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 सीरियस. ठीक है. आई होप.
More than that, the job market is very niche for these courses.
Yes,
Like it is very small, very small. I don't know anybody, any company who needs a CFA.
correct.
The market is very niche.
I think
So if you
for CFAs the companies are there like जिसमें हम इतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं दिखाएंगे. Equity is there who hires like
correct,
tons of people because in my company right now we have a lot of CFAs. उनका काम ही अलग है. They are into this business valuation and this आपका जो M&A वाला काम होता है उसमें होता है. So I think वो मार्केट ही खुद में बहुत नीच है. तो वहाँ पे वैकेंसी भी उस कम आती है इतनी. एंड वहाँ पे MBAs को ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस दी जाती है जो अच्छे प्राइमरी कॉलेज से आ रहे हैं. नॉट जस्ट CFA वाले को. आई थिंक CA CFA CPA ना कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग कोर्स ज्यादा है.
correct. They can't substitute, they can only complement.
यस. तो वही चीज है. आई थिंक अब हम लोग लाइव इसको अपने वेबिनार को एंड कर सकते हैं
Ashish,
because
why post 8:30, we will charge per minute.
oh yeah, like I have to go to gym by 9 or I'm just so late now. So yeah, I think we can close it. We planned नकुल भाई से मेरी बात हुई थी नकुल भाई अंकित से. तो we thought 1.5 घंटा is too much for the webinar. I think 1 घंटे में निपट जाएगा. But the
Look, Nakul bhai ki costing is 30,000 rupees per man day. Okay. So you have 8 hours. 30,000 rupees for 8
But
hours.
I
So you have taken
we really had a good
2 hours.
conversation. That was an amazing webinar. Good initiative. I think we will be able to do much more things in future. कि एक पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक्स पे कोई चीज एज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ लर्निंग कुछ सिखाना हो किसी को. दैट वी कैन डू आई गेस.
Let's target a podcast.
Yeah, podcast one by one. I think that will be great. A lot of plans are there. Let's see अगर सब पॉसिबल हो पाता है. But yes. So guys, please tell me in the comments how you like the live stream. आप छोटा सा एक नोट लिख सकते हैं for the for my friends who just joined me today as a guest. अब उनके लिए कोई नोट लिख सकते हैं, so obviously they will also feel good कि ठीक है भाई, अच्छा रहा सब कुछ.
Yes, and please engage. We are not, हम बहुत बड़े लोग नहीं हैं. हमारे बाल उड़ गए वो अलग बात है.
नहीं, वो मेरे हो गए बस, वो मेरे हो गए. उस पे मैं अकेला हूँ.
हमारा इसलिए बोला तेरा ही कैमरा ओपन है भाई.
बताइए बताइए दोस्तों. परफेक्ट परफेक्ट. जल्दी जल्दी सब कुछ कमेंट लिख दीजिए कि हम फिर अपना रैप अप करें. परफेक्ट परफेक्ट. Okay. Thanks everybody. Thanks. Rohit bhai, no more questions. We are just wrapping it up. Thanks everybody. Thanks. Thanks मेरे दोस्तों, आज यहाँ एज ए स्पीकर आने के लिए. आप लोगों को फोर्स थोड़ा करना पड़ा, बट ठीक है. That was great. ठीक है. So I think we can wrap it up. I hope everybody liked this webinar. A lot of things will be coming in future. But yes, I'm CA Ashish. Along with me, we have CA Ankit, CA Sajjan, CA Aman, CA Nakul, and CA Manoj, and also CA Shalini. Thanks for watching this live stream. This is Tales with CA Ashish, and we are wrapping up this conversation now. Thanks.
Thank
Thank you for
you.
inviting us,
Thank
Ashish.
you.
Thanks.
Bye.
Okay, boss. Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you, everyone. Goodbye. Good night.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you, everyone.
UE accent captured.